But of course, we are keeping an eye on the weather this evening. Let's start out with a look at radar right now. Not seeing as many storms as we did earlier this morning, but man, still some storms popping up right now. We've had a couple of heavy downpours in parts of the Mid-South. Zooming into the metro, got a little downpour right now over the Raleigh area, just north of there at least, out along Austin P. Some heavier showers out east, out near Bolivar, coming into Selmer and Corinth right now. But I'm really keeping an eye on this thunderstorm. This is a tornado warning that is in effect. It's not including any of our area, but this nasty storm is going to go just to the north of Paragould and eventually toward the Missouri boot heel. So if you know anybody up near Caruthersville or Steele, just be aware that that storm possibly producing a tornado is headed in that direction. Again, I think that's going to stay just to the north of our area, but it is something we're going to keep a close eye on. More thunderstorms will develop over the evening, so between now and 10 p.m., anybody could see a thunderstorm popping up across the Mid-South. Really by 11 p.m. though, those storms will be fizzling out, and I expect the rest of the night to be dry. But it is going to be between now and 10 or 11 p.m. There will be some thunderstorms dotting up. Hour by hour radar picking up on that pretty well, and you can see those storms will continue to move across the Mid-South for the next several hours. Here's 8 p.m. Still seeing some thunderstorms in parts of the Mid-South. And again, until about 9 or 10 tonight, we are going to have the potential for thunderstorms until eventually those will fizzle out by 11 o'clock, and the rest of the night will be dry. Now, we had some thunderstorms this morning, but the sun then came out, and that gave us a little more storm energy to deal with. So you can see the energy lighting up right now. We've got plenty of juice for these storms to tap into. So anywhere a storm does pop up, it does have the potential to turn severe. We're talking damaging wind gusts, 40 to 60 miles an hour. That's what took out power this morning. Tornadoes, a very low risk, but as we're seeing right now in Arkansas, it's not out of the question. It is just a very low risk today. Heavy rain could cause some brief street flooding, and also hail up to quarter size is possible. Now, going into Monday, things are looking better. I do think rain chances go down tomorrow. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds. It will be a hot one, though. High temperature right around 86. In fact, rain chance is going to be fairly low starting tomorrow into next week. We're going to be watching this low pressure system just off to our east. As that thing slings around, it could bring in a couple of showers each day next week, mainly east of Memphis, Corinth, Selmer, Brownsville. You've got the best chance to see some rain, but really that system is going to finally start to push off to the east. But until it completely goes away, we are going to keep in a 20 to a 30% chance of a quick shower through the week. I do think most of next week will be dry, but again, there is that potential for a pop-up shower at any point. Rainfall totals, again, they are going to be highest to the east of Memphis. That's going to be our best chance of rain here for the next several days. In fact, it's really going to be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If we see a storm, it's likely to be one of those days. Going to the weekend, temperatures get hotter, highs back to near 90, and mostly dry for Saturday and Sunday.